In a comparison between McDonald's McNutrients Value Meal and Dairy Queen's Blizzard Extra Large, both offer popular fast food choices but cater to different dietary preferences. McDonald's McNuggets Value Meal includes 6, 10, or 20 pieces of chicken, McNuggets, fries, and a drink. The McNuggets are breaded, deep-fried chicken pieces, while the value meal offers customizable dipping sauces. Dairy Queen's Blizzard Extra Large is a frozen dessert made with soft-serve ice cream mixed with candy, cookies, or fruit, depending on the flavor chosen. Popular flavors include Oreo, Reese's Peanut Butter Cup, and M&Ms. In terms of nutrition, McDonald's McNuggets Value Meal is higher in protein and lower in sugar, while Dairy Queen's Blizzard Extra Large is higher in sugar and fat due to its ice cream base and added mix-ins. Both options are high in calories, so portion control is important. Ultimately, the choice between the two depends on personal dietary preferences and cravings, as both offer indulgent, convenient, and popular fast food options.